In today's video, I will walk you through how to create candidate profile in Salesforce. First, move to the top right area of your Salesforce screen and locate the Quick Settings option. Select Quick Settings, then continue by choosing Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to the Salesforce setup page where profile and user configuration settings can be managed inside the platform. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the left side menu and locate the Users section. Continue by expanding the Users menu so the available management options become visible on the screen. After expanding the section, select Profiles. Salesforce will now open the Profiles page and display the available profiles connected to the account. Take a moment to review the list shown on the screen. To create a new candidate profile, move to the middle section of the page and select the New button. After selecting New, Salesforce will open the Profile Creation page. In this section, you will be able to create a new profile by using an existing profile as the starting point. Move to the Available Profile Selection area and choose the profile you want to clone. In this example, the selected profile is Standard User. Once the profile selection has been completed, move to the Profile Name field. Enter the new profile name you want to use. In this example, the profile name entered is Candidate. Continue reviewing the visible fields on the page to confirm the correct information has been entered. After confirming the profile details, move down through the page and select Save. Salesforce will then begin processing the new profile configuration and create the candidate profile inside the account. Once the save process is completed, Salesforce will automatically open the profile settings page connected to the new candidate profile. This page allows you to review and edit the access settings and security permissions connected to the profile. Continue reviewing the available authorization and security sections displayed on the page. Salesforce will show the available configuration areas where profile permissions and access settings can be adjusted for the newly created candidate profile. If the page takes a few moments to load during any part of the process, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before continuing. Once the profile page loads successfully and the settings become visible, the candidate profile creation process inside Salesforce will be completed. The process includes opening Advanced Setup, expanding the Users section, selecting profiles, creating a new profile, choosing an existing profile to clone, entering the candidate profile name, saving the setup, and reviewing the security and access settings connected to the new profile inside Salesforce. Thank you for watching.